Yeah, people, you know, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingi. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So, me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man, I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people, you just check in with Naya Bingi. Remember me telling you, Jamrock Radio. So, me I say,
Yeah, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel again, as I say. Yeah, man, I hope everything well with everybody, you see it, and everyone they're the best of themselves, you see me? So people, in the meantime, I just want to say much respect to all the people who I take the time out to watch the video them and engage in the comment section and all of them nice things, you see it. Want to say give thanks and want to say peace and blessings to all of them, you see it. I hope say everything what you hope for in a life, you know, one real and one good, sincere way. I hope say all of that come true and want to say give thanks to the subscription. You see it, as me always say, gratitude is a must. So we don't take nothing for granted, you see it. And me watch a video. Shout out to Let's Be Honest podcast. Seeing? Me see the brethren do an interview with a 87, they call him a 87 bad man / gangster. Seeing? And we go watch the video. We go watch part of the video together. You see it, cause you understand. I don't want to get no kind of issue with. You understand? I borrow people content certain kind of way. You understand? But Jay, yeah, this is just for ask some questions, cause I watch the interview and yeah. As anybody else question sparking in my mind, so I go and ask a few questions on the interview here differently still.
The interview or the intervention, I know what this is, but this is something different, you know. And but even know if you introduce it as like obviously we can't call a name on the show or whatever the case may be. But you know, I'm sure you probably hear people say music influence violence, and you as a man where as well serve you that say you can't say yourself like a 87.
Nah, those are the things to defend myself for a friend and say.
Okay, but is it a case where like why you feel like you need defending? Like what is there to defend? Like how you reach to the point where yo, me have to be in a criminality and me need to defend myself. How you reach to that point?
I never really chose it for myself to say, yo, I want to do this thing, you see me? But a boy rush my friend, but now a boy kill my friend. Like that's Granny Lad say, a boy kill my friend. It now go so, I kill back a boy. You see? So I just that, you see me?
Yeah, me get that, you know. Me get the whole protect friend, all of that. But how it get to that point there, because it's one thing for just say you're defending one friend or you're defending your family, cool. But how it get to that point where this is my lifestyle now?
It's like when I come up and come say war a fight before we. So it's like not really a fight war for we not really fight for say we are fight for a prize. As me I tell them I fight for different life. You see me? So we come see something I go on before we I just step on a continue basically.
Alright, so what would I start a war? Because in my world, me believes a war start because of this conflict. A man and a man or a group and a group at it. But you see a band come see it. So there's no point in time where peace call and it can just remain.
Yeah, peace call, you know. Yeah, peace call and yeah. And when they do something, yeah, because him have your power and money in them heart, and it broke the peace and we have to defend it.
So you say peace can never be forever.
No, because you can't trust peace. Peace are pieces. Yeah, you can never trust peace.
So alright, because you don't know that platform is more around music and entertainment. You feel like the music influence you in what whatever you do or get you in a mood for go up and even a mission or whatever the case may be, or that not nothing for doing nothing?
That now, no, for we active, we just know, say we are move out. Yeah, might be a year the artist say we boss boy head, yeah, we are go boss boy head, yes, but we just active and not really music we are doing for. We just do it, say, yo, yeah, we are doing it.
Yeah, but you say you not do it for your prize, you do it for defend yourself, but why not come out of the environment where you have to defend yourself?
Come out of the environment, I feel defend myself.
Because I mean I like the heat, I love the kitchen.
Well, guys, I love to eat, so me in the kitchen, said yeah, that's why I'm there, so said I'm still living. Got to owe me pre-war, you say the man went out to pre-same night and I'm dead fussy.
Yo, it's a lot to pack in just the few minutes there. See me? Really, it's a lot to pack in that few minutes. Jay asked him some serious questions still. I don't know if he must slide over the question them or what. But my first question I'm going to ask differently still. Is this a social experiment or is this a genuine interview with a genuine bad man? Seeing cause we understand say them youth them work with, as him say him program is about entertainment and that kind of thing. You see it. So him say him thing is about entertainment. So I wonder if this is an entertainment video or something what we take serious.
So the man always involved like the longest, like the evil man always live long. So I saw my pretty badness.
And what about growing up? What was it like? Both parents in the house?
No.
Nuclear family, extended family, single
Bro,
family?
my mother, yes, but you don't know. No, my father, you see me. After a while, you see me. I know, say, daddy that, but you don't know. I just saw my grow and my grow with mommy straight and you don't know. Things have to happen. And I like, as I tell you, and I like to choose it, but things have to happen.
Okay. So your mother aware of that lifestyle, yeah?
Yeah, she knows say when I do it. Yeah, but when I push it up in her face and make she know say, yo, mommy, at this way I do it. But she knows say when I do it.
Mm-hmm.
See, this again. Cause we hear enough of the crime vlogger them talk about the hysteria. When time the mother them come out and them start to cry innocent for their son. You understand? Cause me sure say, as him say, his mother know what him do. That not unique to him differently still. You understand? Cause if his mother know, him brethren them mother probably know said them in it same way too. So that a one serious thing to think about same way too. You see it him grow with his mother and his mother know say him into badness.
Still give mommy respect, said it. You see me, but she know where I do it. You know.
And so like, at what age this start? I'm sure I like say you get up one day as you just turn 18 and say, alright, then I'm gonna pick up a gun. So which age you just say this whole lifestyle? When was the change for you when you say, alright, then this are the route me gonna take?
I get kicks from school and for me about 15. Yeah. And about 16, I there around the man them, a part of the man them. Like from the bigger man them. They run the man them and see the man them do the thing as a juvenile. And they don't know after a while I get upgrading of the thing. You see me? By the time I reach 18, I'm a lead out too. You see me? I'm local troops apart with them, you know, say, yeah, I do my thing. 19 and go beyond, yeah, we get further bigger and other thing, and we say, yeah. We don't have to do it like that. We can't say, yo, you and you go watch this. So I'm there, some, you know, some easy work. But I'm still up. Yeah, but we don't have to, yo, push out like that. You see me? Like, you see me? But serious crime, we have to dip on it. And carry all to juvenile and show him, say, yo, I say you're the boy.
So,
alright. The next question I'm going to ask differently still. If how the police treat them situation here. Seeing cause we hear them on a campaign where they must say, if you If you see a crime, you must report it. See? Now you have this Virginia, him a confess to crime. Him obviously have a strap in a lap. See? So Jay is in company of a criminal with an illegal weapon. Plus the Virgin are confess to crime in this interview. You understand? So if the police should have get involved, is Jay at liberty for all them information from the police? Make we continue.
From 16 to 19, you know, when you say, yo, you have your own people, them, right?
Yeah.
And you up in the ranks. Why it's not a case where you see certain things and realize, yo, this probably not worth it? Because I'm sure from 16 to 19, you probably lose somebody on your side.
Yeah, lose one heap of friend, one heap of close friend, you see me? But an idea where you choose a thing, you can't just jump out that thing. You choose a thing, you have to just fight it out till better come. You know, say, yo, either you get rich and fly out there, but you still have an active side here, but you're up on a higher level where I'm gonna come good for you know, say, my brush your food. You have all bodyguard around you and thing, you know, you think tough. But the level they pan, we have to just inner till we think get that level there. You don't know, say, yo, we broke, we are killer, just know, say, we are killer.
So what also?
What else?
Me not get what also.
You don't know. You have people who circle more time on them. You don't know, give you a thing. You see me? Yeah. People just see you and just give you a call them respect, and you don't know you have people respect you, you know.
So it's protection or extortion?
Well, I don't really call it extortion still, you know, because I never look on them and say, yo, give me that. Them just see me and say, yo, my dad, what go on? Because them say, how I do the thing, I love how I do the thing, and make sure, yo, our set of people, them good. So them say, my dad, what go on, them buy me 2 juice, give me all $5 and say, yo, put that in your pocket, man. Yeah. I'm going to come more fast. But through the rotation and them see the badness and them say, yo, them look a good youth. They know these people, but our badness are badness. Yeah, might be a person say you kill somebody already and afraid of your thing. And they'll show up on you. Say it.
Now, you keep on mentioning this whole defend and whatever. Again, if there's a time when peace call, right?
Yeah.
Why you feel that the other fraction of the community are go retaliate or something else like that? Is that case where one man from your side and the other side clash is just back to gunshot again?
I mean, because remember when a man care of feelings that they want to wrestling if a man lose and want to catch back all 2 man for him friend them or him family. But once him kill a man or shoot a man that he all if he make a somebody from my side get gates. You know a war. No response. We just kill people. You see?
And no like bother the turf. Which part I know say, this is a part I'm not supposed to go. Like, it's just a case where you can just say,
yo, this serious stuff. This is a serious thing. See it? Because I still go back when I ask if this is a real, genuine interview and if all of what we are seeing and hear in front of we, if it's a social experiment. What we supposed to get out of the interview, yeah, or what was Jay's objective? Why need to do an interview like this? See? I just big up gunman, you know. We reach to the point where gunman start to become celebrity. See? One time gone, people used to have this argument, say, informer for dead or people not like informer, Jamaican not like informer and them kind of things. You see it? Like, just ask yourself, see, a man willingly sitting down on a interview, you understand? And him willingly give information about crime. Seeing so, it go back to which part me ask now if when the police say, pan them campaign say, if you see a crime, you must report it. Them things they entrench in a law. People obligated by law for report crime or what kind of crime citizens are obligated to report if seen. You understand? Because why me I ask that is because me know say police go there watch that interview here. And me don't know if Jay is a journalist. Seen? Me don't know if him have the journalistic credentials where you understand? Because me understand say when certain journalists do certain interviews, them have certain privacy protection where them protect their sources. Seen? But in this case here now, me don't know if you understand the levels. Cause watch you now. You see, you have certain crime and them crime they have what them would call what the term them use. Anyway, in a nutshell it means if you commit certain kind of crime and you not get caught over a certain time, them case they go cool and nobody no investigate it again. See? But you have certain crime where it no have no statute of limitation. That are the term I may try to find out. See? Them call it statute of limitation. So me I wonder if murder have any kind of statute of limitation in a Jamaica law books. People who more versed on the laws and the criminal law can chime in and enlighten us. Those of us who no really understand it. But now Jay have a bridging a confess to criminal activity. Obviously, you see what them have in a day lap and a palab pan wall. See? So now may I ask, if the police want to find out where was this location, who was this person in the interview, and them start to pressure Jay. Jay can go without giving the police the information. Me no know. Me just ask some questions still.
That line there, everything over that line, their enemy, are me no know.
Alright, so always set our thing and we don't know, say, yo. We said, we make like war go on, we make all our civilians them know what is and all certain things where them should do like them know, say, yo, certain place them for that are civilians when they're really at work. Because you have people at work, from people now work, and them now do nothing. They must there with the money. So them know say, yo, certain place, them no forgo. When we are rotating and we are killers, we cross the border, we don't stay up on the border. We have to cross the border for who we are looking for to try to get this thing done. You see me? So I just them have to know say, yo, them stay in the quarters or we are trying to go on. You see me?
And politics. Politics play a part in the crime life. JLP, PMP. Is that a thing now or that's a thing of the past?
Past thing, we're not to do politics thing. I really deal with that because politics will go on. I'm there, so I drink, I'm a beer, I'm enemy over there, so yeah, I know say, yo, all of your PMP. But when I back up for your time, I back up for your time. Yeah, because one day I go there, so PMP meet, and I sit down and him now go over there, so I go there, so I drink my beer.
The man asks the man if him have post-traumatic stress disorder. See? And the youth just answer off the rip. So, you know, say, the youth here is not an idiot. You understand? So, me feel like I say, him could make a next choice. You understand? Within life. You understand? Because the youth here, him sound like a educated youth. Him sound like him dep on point. Him sound like a somebody with reason. You understand? So, I don't know if them choice here are the kind of choice where him will have to choose. You understand the lifestyle? But I don't know. I could continue to listen still.
I'm just love up. once you touch dog, I'm active. You see me, I just look up. So when you up, you see everything will go on. You see me, you know everything will go on.
You mentioned you broke, right? But you have a very expensive gun in your hand right now.
I don't know how to say it go. Sometimes this have to defend myself, you know, this have to protect my life. So I'm gonna spend the last and get it. I'm link with General and know some try and say, yo, me get one of them. Yeah, cause in the DNF, me not have one of them. Me not go there so to talk to you. You see me? So
That's
but I'm
true.
have one.
That's not true, but they can utilize the police till them there for protect and serve.
You can't save our life. Me I tell you that. The way they right there, so I'm one that did right there, so. A part of the thing, I think we see happen already more than one time. Them just come and try to do what them can do, but them can't save our life. You see me? And them have a time when them come and them know say, yo, them a come to kill we see man. So we have to do we thing.
Mm-hmm. So now, you do all of that. There's also a next place named jail and prison. You ever serve any time before or get old?
I got jail.
And what other experience?
Yeah, no rough, cause you don't know man and man in a jail here, boy a street, you know, and a man come in there, man and say, I read that. I say, you never know, so I saw the dog stay. Everywhere you go in there, you know jail house stay. You go in there, hold your own. You see me, you don't know, you try to get to your people, and my people, them try to make sure everything with your foot. Link all of the dog, they make sure.
Hey. And that's why people are well protective of them pitney, you know. Especially them boy pitney, you see it. Make sure say we are identify things from early, you see, because you see rejection in our home can lead to youth going out for go join them kind of clique and them kind of crew and them kind of, you understand? Because you see if some youth now get the kind of love in their yard and them face enough kind of rejection and them kind of things, then you go find say them go on go road go seek validation from them kind of people. And just imagine the way how the Virginia attack, like him glamorize the badness, make it sound like something fun. You see it, him make it sound like it's a thing why him love. You understand? It's almost like him talk about it like him get a rush from just being the person there. You see it? So just imagine him catch one little impressionable mind where him can just paint the picture there and give the youth the feeling that where to make him feel like I said, yeah, and this are the way of life.